Okay, so I'm being like crazy hair curler studio lady today. Here, look how crazy I look when I put on my lamp working goggles. This is my favorite look. This is Sunday morning. Well, okay, it's not actually morning, that's a lie. It's Sunday afternoon, but I slept in, so it still feels like it's the morning. And this is the no makeup, the hair and the curlers, the everything crazy. Anyway, so here's my review of Val Cox Olive Frit. So far, I mean, I've been finding that really like everything that I've been trying it with, I've been really happy with. I haven't had any issues with incompatibility or cracking, or just seems like a really nice green blend. Like this would be really great for if you're doing backdrops for florals, like anything that you want to have kind of a leafy or a foresty look. Yeah, just really good. Good job to Val! I'm kind of in a dorky mood today, I'm sorry. And here we have EFFETRE 232 Light Turquoise, which is another one of my favorite colors. Seems to go well with almost every fret. So this is with olive and with some silver, fine silver wire. I really love all of these. And of course we had to try it on copper green. So this is olive on copper green, EFFETRE 219. Yeah, I think that probably copper green's my favorite color of all time. And again, it's really cool. Like you can just see there's kind of like some reactions going on there and a lot of different shades of green, and beautiful. And this is olive on EFFETRE 031 transparent light emerald, very light emerald. I can't remember what it's called. It's just like a really light emerald green, and the olive looks really nice on that too. So unfortunately I didn't see it at first, but it came to my attention later when I was looking at these a bit closer that there was some incompatibility cracking with the 031. This was the only time I had any issue with this blend though. Everything else I tried it with was perfectly fine. Here's olive on EFFETRE 204 white, pastel white. This is like, I think it needs to be St. Patrick's Day for these beads. Maybe they can work for the spring too. Just like so lovely and green. Here I paired olive with EFFETRE number 680, which is green tea. I don't know if you can still get that color, but I still have some. Really pretty soft mint green. I think these look like really fresh, and yeah, I really like this one. So this is olive with an EFFETRE color. It's number 650. It's called Mustard Rock. So it was kind of an interesting pairing. Like, I don't know, I'm not totally sure if I like these or not. They're very organic looking. This is olive swirl speckled with KUGLER K100 leaded clear. Yeah, it came out really pretty, just on its own like that in the clear. Okay, so I did a few more sets just with the Val Cox olive with KUGLER K100 leaded clear. So these are just, this is olive just encased. So tiny spacer bead, roll it in olive, and then encase in a thick layer of clear. And these ones here, same glasses, but this time I made the spacer bead by making a gather of clear, dipping it in olive, and then making the spacer bead with that, so it's kind of like it swirls it in the inside of the glass, and then a layer of clear around the outside. So I'm really happy with how both of these came out. It's just a really pretty green blend. Very pretty, and there it is again with the grass outside. You can see just how well it matches. It's lovely.